think there's some owls up there. Cause I could hear. Woo! Whoa! Where are you guys coming from? Oh, it is a dove. I don't know if anybody could see it. Yeah, there it is. I thought it was an owl. Sure was making noise like an owl. Could hear the who. I don't know where it went. Is it a dove? I don't know what it is. Hi. Are you an owl? Yeah, you are. Maybe you are an owl. You look like it. That is an owl. Oh my God. There's a couple of them. Hi. I just want to get a look at you, sweetheart. I've never seen a wild owl outside. That can't be a no dove. Hi, you are an owl. Oh, you are an owl. Can I see what you look like, sweetheart? Hi, oh, there you are. Hello. Oh, hi. There it is. Hello. Can you turn around? I need to get a picture. Hi, sweetheart. Hello. Hi, pretty birdie. Oh, you are pretty. I'm gonna get a picture. Hi, there the baby is. I don't want to get run over. I'm in the street. Oh, I want to see you. Oops. Hi. I'm trying to get a picture of you. You're right there. You're so pretty. Here it is. Woo! I know there's two of them because I can hear the other one. That one's right there. Wish I could get it. Hey baby, you're so pretty. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi. I'm trying to get a picture. Oh, you are pretty.